The Crumb programming language is a modern, functional programming language designed for building robust and maintainable software. With its expressive syntax and powerful standard library, Crumb makes it easy to write concise, readable code. Key features: purely functional core. Crumb has no side effects by default, enabling you to write simple, predictable code. Strict immutability makes it easier to reason about your program. Sandboxed execution. Imported Crumb files can be run in isolated environments to localize effects. This improves modularity and reduces unexpected interactions between components. Dynamic typing. Variables have no fixed type. Types are checked dynamically at runtime. This allows for rapid prototyping and iteration. Automatic memory management. Crumb handles memory allocation and cleanup for you via garbage collection. No more manual memory management. Minimal syntax. With no keywords, Crumb feels lightweight yet powerful. Everything is just a function call away. Batteries included. Crumb ships with a large standard library to help you be productive right away. Common data structures, I/O, and more are ready to use. With its blend of functional programming, dynamic features, and robust tooling, Crumb is ideal for crafting maintainable, scalable applications with ease.